Hello friends, we are discussing today with activity 6.4. Uh, Activity is about we exhale carbon dioxide gas from our body. The carbon dioxide is released from the body with activity 6.4 in your textbook. The diagram is here. We have two test tube filled with lime water. We blow air each of the test tube. In test tube first we blow air from a syringe or a pichkari, and in the second one test tube we blow air by our mouth. After this activity we observe that in test tube A, no color change is observed or in a very negligible amount, and it is disappeared quickly. The color change is transparent, मतलब colorless to milky, but it is very negligible amount. But in test tube B, the transparent solution turns milky very quickly. From this activity, we can say that in our breath, the air coming out have has a more amount of carbon dioxide, because only carbon dioxide gives milky solution of lime water. Now, after 6.5 discussing 6.4 discussing 6.5. The carbon dioxide is produced during fermentation. So here 6.5. So here we have also two test tube. In the first test tube, sugar solution is taken, and the in other solution lime water is taken. We have one whole cork on the both test tube, and band tube, delivery tube, pass through it. According to the diagram, we put some yeast powder in test tube A, and after 3 4 hours, after 3 4 hours, if we observe, the color changes starts from colorless to milky in test tube B. After more time, it appears the white solution in test tube B. Lime water is turns milky, only carbon dioxide is passed through it. So we can say that the carbon dioxide is formed during the fermentation reaction of carbon dioxide produced. Yeast fermentation process taken place by yeast in sugar solution or fruit juice. Now, respiration. The process of releasing energy from food in presence or absence of oxygen is called respiration. Generally, the concept is this, that uh, we expel out this air is called expel out and sorry if the breathing is generally we our concept is breathing is the respiration, but breathing is not respiration. Breathing is the uh, oxygenated air taken in, and carbon dioxide air is expel out. It is not a respiration, but respiration is the process is energy obtained by oxidation of food is called respiration. It is taken place in all the cells of the living organisms. The body cells requires energy for performing various functions. This energy is obtained by oxidation of food. Respiration involves intake of oxygenated air into the cell. And releasing energy by breakdown the glucose and removing carbon dioxide and water from the body as waste is also called cellular respiration. The cellular respiration is called the energy production due to the oxidation of glucose molecule in the cell is called the cellular respiration. And carbon dioxide and water vapor is coming out from the body as a waste by exhaling the air by nose. There are two types of respiration: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is the respiration in which the organism use oxygen to break down the glucose completely. And anaerobic, the breakdown of glucose incompletely without the use of oxygen or inadequate proportion of oxygen. Now, the main process of respiration. The first step is the breakdown of glucose. So, in above both the cases, it means in aerobic and anaerobic respiration. The first step is the breakdown of 6 carbon glucose molecule into 3 carbon pyruvate or pyruvic acid. This process is taken place in cytoplasm. So in cytoplasm, breakdown of glucose starts. This process is called glycolysis. Now, the second step is metabolism of pyruvate. In aerobic respiration, the pyruvate breakdown into 3 molecules of carbon dioxide and water in presence of oxygen. Pyruvate is formed by the glycolysis process. Here it further break down into carbon dioxide and water in presence of oxygen in aerobic respiration. This process takes place in the mitochondria of the cell. The glycolysis taken place in cytoplasm, and this second step is taken place in mitochondria. As oxygen is involved in this process, much energy released and immediately used to form ATP. It immediately form ATP. We have already discussed in standard 9 that ATP is used as an energy, and mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell. The whole chemical reaction is here. The second, anaerobic respiration. In anaerobic respiration, the second step uh, after glycolysis, pyruvate or pyruvic acid may be converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide in the presence of in the absence of oxygen. In the absence of oxygen, pyruvate decompose to form ethanol and carbon dioxide. This process is called fermentation, and it is taken place in the cytoplasm or of yeast cell. So here is the complete reaction. The energy obtained by this process is very low. And the second path of breakdown of pyruvate in a animal's muscle cell. The pyruvate or pyruvic acid converted into lactic acid and energy in the absence or lack of oxygen. This is the another pathway for the breakdown of pyruvate. Due to lactic acid, we feel fatigue when uh, when we work with our hand or legs. As for example, running, um, playing, etc. The whole process is here. In our textbook, this process is given in a common reaction just like this. Both are same. Now ATP. ATP, the full form is adenosine triphosphate. It is the energy currency for cellular processes. Released cellular energy is immediately converted into ATP when ADP, adenosine diphosphate, and inorganic phosphate chemically combine to form ATP. The reaction is this: ADP, adenosine diphosphate plus phosphate gives ATP, and bond between ADP and P is the linkage bond or a phosphate bond. The terminal phosphate linkage in ATP is broken down using water, the energy equivalent to 30.5 kilojoule per mole. It means per 1 mole ATP is uh, broken down, the energy equivalent to 30.5 kilojoule is released. In a terminal phosphate linkage has a 30.5 kilojoule energy which is stored in ATP. ATP can be used in the cells for contraction of muscles, protein synthesis, contractions of nerve impulse, and many other processes. Now, okay, so here we end this session, but you have to learn, write, and read the textbook and this question. Okay, bye.